Hi, my name is Joe Jensen from Tayco Electric and Solar, and today I want to talk about energy storage or batteries. So this is a question I hear quite often, and it's really going to depend on a lot of factors. I think the first thing to think about batteries are you losing power often? If you're not, you may not need batteries. One thing about solar is if you have solar and you have no batteries, if you lose power, you will not have power just like you do today. You have to have an energy storage or battery product attached to your solar system, otherwise the solar will not work if the power goes out. Other reasons that you would want energy storage: if you have a utility program, such as like a time of use where energy rates are high at one point and low at other times, it's a good opportunity to use something called energy arbitrage. So when we look at the utility companies in the solar program, the energy storage could be a good solution, but it may not be necessary. So I implore you to give us a call and we'll talk about your specific situation and give you recommendations on whether solar and energy storage are right for you.